Hey guys, Kyle here with a business to business moment for you guys. Today's topic is have a purpose, a strategy, and a plan. Every week you attend networking events and have the opportunity to share certain things that you are looking for. Something that would make your business better for the week. Something that will ring the cash register. But are you doing it with a well thought out strategy or purpose? Are you just coming in and throwing something up against the wall and hoping it sticks? Or is it something that you have thought about, planned, prepared for, and delivered with frequency? Many of us have businesses that are seasonal or cyclical, and we need to plan for that. Are you planning this out? Make special offers. It's Christmas, it's Easter, it's Thanksgiving, it's summer, it's the 4th of July. Come up with something that will make it memorable and make it stick. And carry that message or offer throughout your business. Be strategic in your message that you deliver and carry that message throughout your business and the marketing channels that you play in. I hope this gives you just a little bit of insight and a little bit of help. Make some comments below, like the video, subscribe, and I'll be working on more of these videos over the coming weeks. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon.